going on, Danny?
How long has it been?
What? It ain't even been, what, 10, 15 minutes?
She called back. Let's hit her up and see what she has to say. So are
Or,
you a YouTube fan? Do you know what happens if she says, no, we have to get the money. We have to get it. What if she
uh,
wants $10,000? What do we do?
that ain't what we trying to do. She's not going to get it.
You can't just say no. We have outs. We have other methods here. Okay.
Okay.
She called back very quick. When the jury goes out for 5 days, it's not good, bad, or indifferent. It just means the guy who's been charged with a crime has to sit and worry longer.
Okay.
Doesn't mean anything.
Okay.
You didn't even have time to eat a fucking banana, and she's calling back. Let's call her up and see. I'm a pragmatist. I'm not here to complain about this or make plans. Let's see what she says.
All right.
Hi, Danny.
That was quick. What say you?
I left your message. He's okay with it. He kind of balked at first because it's a little unusual for him. He's used to having some money upon signing. But I told him you were going to be sending over your financials and your good company and that you have 40 other locations and you're not used to playing security. So he's agreed to waive that.
Well, thank you. And you know what? The big difference is this. Name another business where we have this much invested in infrastructure and F&E, furnishings and equipment. I can't think of one. You know, you and I frequent restaurants, and there might be a couple of old Blodgett pizza ovens in the back, and that's great. But really, that's a family recipe that makes the money. It's a little bit of dough and grandma's sauce. Nail salons, what are those? They're all employees. The whole business is really running on dozens and dozens of hopefully family members, because it's hard to pay people to do that type of business. We know how that works. Dollar stores, what are they doing? They're selling tchotchkes from India and China at a 50% markup. God bless them.
Right. Yeah.
Our business is just different. We've got to invest.
Well, no, you have to put a lot of money into it.
Right.
Yeah. And you have to maintain it. It's not just like putting it in there and it runs itself. I get it.
Which is why we need 15 years so that we can retool. All right. Excellent.
And the only other thing is he does want me to add a sentence that it is your intent to put the sentence that you had in the LOI about putting the 249,000 in FF&E and improvements. He would like me to put that in the lease. So I'll make that change. I'll take out the security. I'll take out the first month's rent. And
thank you, Jackie. You know what? Far too many of these laundries are being bought and sold in this country. They're handed from one operator that doesn't know what they're doing to another. And those operators fall flat on their face because of one thing: equipment. That's all this business is. You can paint the walls with bubbles. You can put up a banner that says under new management. But if you don't swap out the equipment, it's like the old Poltergeist movie. They moved the headstones, but they left the bodies behind.
I agree. And I think you have to, for women, 90% of your business, I would assume, is probably female, or a good portion of it anyway. And they have to feel, that they have, their, clothes are going to be clean, and they're not going to do it if the machine's 40 years old and breaking down. I've been in.
Speaking my language. And we talk about single females all the time, but they're not single. They have kids at home, a husband, family. But as they come into our service center, they are, in fact, single females. That goes back to our security. We remove the bars on the windows. We paint the place hospital white. By the way, you know what my banner says? Under better management. It's one word different, but it only pisses off the previous owner. Everyone else thinks it's funny.
I love it. Yeah, I had a shopping center where I had a laundromat in it, and I went in and like 50% of the machines were broke.
There you go.
It's like, oh yeah, that would really make somebody happy to have to stand there and wait because there weren't enough machines.
And this is why these landlords don't want laundromats, because they think, oh, this is a horrible business. It's not if you run it correctly, like anything.
I love laundromats. I've leased to a lot of them in my career.
You're a strange gal, just like me. Thank you, Jackie. Change that addendum and send it over. Cheers.
I will do that.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
You said that's what she was going to do.
Now, forget about what I charge for the services that I provide. People get a massive lump in their throat when it comes to asking for difficult things. I don't.
Mm-hmm.
The key to negotiating is being able to ask with a firm hand and stand still and wait for the answer. Of course, he wants you more than you need him. There's dozens of stores all over Vegas ready for takeover, and this one's yours. There's my $10,000 gift to you.
Awesome. Okay. So what's the next move?
She's going to send over the lease. You go down there and sign it. And there is a lot to come. As you know, my time doesn't expire. I'm here to help you through the retooling process. I'm here to help you find your contract attendance, everything that's in the DVD. You have to stick to all of that. I talk about failure. I talk about not a stumble, not a trip step, but failing. You're not there yet. You're going to earn, and we need to go after more stores. That's where substantial wealth comes in laundromats. Several stores, not just one. These are like potato chips. There's lots to come. My time does not expire.
Gotcha. When next time you going to be in Vegas?
Oh, God. We'll have to have you to the next roundtable meeting, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Have a bunch of operators there since you're local. It's a good idea. Maybe we'll tour your store. Have some beers.
All right. So, I need if we at the final stages of this, I need to start, finding my distributors and everything like that.
That is what's immediately next. Starting to bring. Now, what you do now is bring every single distributor in Nevada to the table, and you stand firm. Say, hey, silly, I have a laundry. All I need is equipment. Give me the right price. Come correct. Longest warranty. That's all I give a shit about. I don't care about brand name. Brand name be damned.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
All right. I'll talk to you through email.
All right. Thank you.
Later.
Have a good one.
Bryant is very excited for me. I don't get excited about this type of thing. That's my third lease signed today. I'm Danny D.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.